NGOs are not expected to pay VAT on goods on their humanitarian services. NGOs are set up for humanitarian activities. So on those their humanitarian activities, they are not supposed to pay VAT. But the NGOs will pay VAT on goods they have procured themselves that is not linked to humanitarian activities. And let me even say, the NGO services are not even VAT exempt. Their services are zero rated. Zero rated, that is that NGOs are supposed to pay VAT, but their VAT rate is 0%. What we are saying here is that NGOs are supposed to pay VAT, but their VAT rate is 0%. Also, you can only charge that 0% if they engage in services and goods that are for their humanitarian activities. But if NGO consume something that is outside that their humanitarian activities, they are going to pay VAT. The advantage of zero-rated VAT is that you can claim your input VAT even though you have not suffered any VAT, any output VAT. But if it's VAT, totally VAT exempt, you can't claim input VAT. Okay, so why they put them zero-rated is if they have suffered input VAT, they can claim it. It's only zero-rated activities you can claim an input. Assume that I bought something and suffer VAT of 10 million and it's zero rate, I can go and claim back my 10 million. But if that goods is totally VAT exempt, I can't claim input VAT on it. If those things they are buying is for humanitarian activities, if what they are buying is for humanitarian activities and they are charged VAT, because their services are zero rated, they cannot claim those input VAT and recover their money. But ideally, if you know that you are dealing with an NGO and what you are selling to them is for their humanitarian activities, you are not supposed to charge VAT, in the sense that if you charge VAT, you put 0% on it to show they are charging nothing. However, if the NGO is consuming or buying things outside their humanitarian activities, sometimes they go beside their humanitarian activities and purchase things. In that case, they will go to suffer VAT on it. 7.5% fully. If you explain to FIRS that you sold these goods to NGO for their humanitarian activities and you show them evidence and they confirm that it's an NGO, they will not ask you to pay that particular VAT. What you do is that when the FIRS come, you categorize your sale into the customers that are vatable, customers that are not vatable, and customers that are zero rated. You get your tax consultant to classify all your customers. These customers are vatable, have collected their VAT. These customers are totally not vatable. And these customers are zero VAT customers. And I have evidences of their registration and their link, you can find out. And based on that, what FIRS confirm, they will allow you for those that are not vatable or zero VAT. If you deal with an NGO, the name will be there. And it is subject to confirmation. Remember, you can't just give any name. Any NGO must be registered in CAC. Some of them are on website. Some of them are traceable. Their letterheaded papers has addresses and phone numbers. So in the benefit of doubt, when you give names of NGO, definitely the Revenue Authority will trace to know that these are NGOs. It's not just you are forging those things. My name is Dr. Kennedy Iwundu. I'm a forensic accountant. If you have a limited liability company and your company has paid tax, don't assume that you have paid your tax. In the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, tax is compulsory.